Hey there. Can you hear me? Let's see. 1 second. Then we should be live. Perfect. Okay. Welcome everybody. Today I'm alone because Mike's pet had some problem, but this could also be an opportunity for you if you are in the chat to ask me anything. First of all, please audio check. Audio check. Can you hear me? Let's see. Perfect. Hey, Kush. Yeah, Kush, can you hear the music? Can you hear the music in background? Can you hear any music? Music in background. I'm here for you, by the way. If you want to ask me anything, this is a good place. Let's see. This is a super improvised. If this would have happened like 6 months ago, I would be shaking instead of very calm. Because this could be an opportunity. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear no music. Maybe it's just low. Let's see. Let's test it. Just 1 second. No music. Now you got this Blue Panther. Hey there. So if I do this, can you hear the music? No music is fine. Hey Francesco, hey Chris. We need to improvise today because, but I think that in this case I can still say a couple of things. So we can talk about podcasting, Docker if you want for a couple of hours. Developer advocate. What else? There is a poll. Come on. I love polls on YouTube. How to grow your audience. Stay on Twitter all day long. Nice. So I failed on adding music on StreamYard, which is pretty hard, but okay. So let's see. Let's share it. No, okay. Let's start with the questions. How are you? Where are you from? How are you? Perfect. This is bingo. Code with bingo. Nice. Okay, so any question? Let's start. Let's start from this one. And by the way, if you can help me stay here a little bit, also promote this live stream a little bit, this could also become a weekly event. So let's see how it goes. Super relaxed. I'm here to ask any question because maybe instead of asking a lot of questions in the DMs, maybe it's better in this format. Your role in activities as a Docker captain. This is a great question. So first of all, Docker captain is a title, a volunteer title, which Docker gives you, and basically you advocate Docker. Usually you are already a Docker advocate, and they notice you. You can even apply if you want, but usually they notice you. They say that if you want to become a Docker captain, and I said yes, of course. What's the role? The role is to help the Docker team, Docker developer teams to develop new features, but also get the feedbacks from their audience. For example, if you use Docker, if you have any problem, you can send a DM to me. This is a good thing if you already know me, because I report to them. So a Docker captain works in both ways, to get feedbacks from people and also to share the news, the new features, live events. One of my dreams, it would be to attend as a speaker at the next DockerCon in person. So please help me, vote me. I don't know if there is a vote system. Hey, Aditya. Hey there. Hey, bingo. We are fine. Thank you, Coach. Yeah. I was so excited for this Southern California. And yeah, Max sent me this DM. It was developer advocate. This is also an interesting question. The developer advocate is basically a developer who helps a company. It can be done in very different ways. There is not just a single role as a developer advocate. I think that it depends also by the company. Some companies, they also need you as a developer, so you write code. For example, this is my case now. Sometimes I change code, I make some PRs. You can also be a content creator, but basically you work, as I said before, for Docker. So you work in both directions. You get feedbacks from the people and you share some news about the product, the SaaS, whatever it is. Yeah, it's very funny. It's funny. Thank you, Kush. I want you as an agent. You don't have to study law. Yeah, this is funny because when I said this to my friends, I said, "Oh, so do you want to pursue the lawyer career?" I said, "No, that's not for me. I can't remember all this law." Let's see. Okay. Hey, Yudai. Hey there. By the way, StreamYard has some problems. Nice. So, Docker is a platform and also a community. It's a platform that helps you to create containers. It's a containerization technology. It's not the only one, to be honest, but it's the de facto standard. So even if you can get some alternatives, if you want a huge community that also can help you to solve the problems, because basically that's it. When you develop something, that's the way to go. Nice. Let's see. I don't know. Should I do this every week? Because for me now it's very natural to answer questions. Yeah, Yudai, I was relaxed at home. I said, okay, let's just check the phone, and I've seen this couple of messages. But Mike, it's a very serious person, but he was very worried. So I said, no worries, of course, Mark. I'm not gonna force anyone. How am I doing? I'm doing fine. I need to be honest. I was was thinking about canceling this event or just going live and answering some questions. So if you are here, this is already war. So thank you so much for coming anyway. Yes, so we can talk about podcasting. I can give you my point of view, how to grow on Twitter. I can share my experience, but there is no only one truth. Let's see. How are you? I wanted the music, but it seems that it didn't work. Why? Stop screen, it doesn't work. Sorry for that, but you will not have. Let's see if I raise them. No, there is no volume. Okay, perfect. So let's keep going with the question. Let's close this poll. Let's see. Interesting. So a lot of people, they want to know about the developer advocate role. This is interesting. So about the developer advocate role, I've noticed that now a lot of people are pursuing this developer advocate role, and a lot of companies are looking for a developer advocate. I know this because I got a lot of offers every single day. Web3. We will talk about this. I know that you are here for that. Hey, Mina. Hey there. Hey, Kartik, my moderator. Kartik is my official moderator. Wow, there we go. Mina, Kartik, Kush. Help on websites. Docker helps you to deploy something. So if you already have your application, it helps you to deploy this everywhere. We can make a live stream about this. Maybe a dedicated one. Hey, Vinay, thank you so much. How to grow your audience. Okay. So I wanted to make this poll because I know that I get different questions about different topics. So maybe it would have been better to just focus on one topic. But today I want really relax. And if we like this event, we can even do this weekly. I'll make a poll and probably nobody will want to see this. Hey there. Okay, so about the developer advocate role, it's not a very easy role because basically you need to be technical, you need to know at least how to develop a bit. It's not really a must, but let's say in general. So you need to understand how code works. At least this is my point of view. This is what people asked me. And then that's not enough. You need to advocate the company, sorry for the pun word, but you need to know how to communicate something, especially for development. For sometimes we have this kind of cold and kind of boring, let's say, stuff. So we need to do something funny. So I don't know why I'm doing this, by the way. Hey there, mood rank. Hey there. Oh, nice profile picture. Godswill. It's you, Godswill Mukoro. I couldn't recognize you. Mike is not joining. I'm sorry for that because his pet had some health problems. So it's just me. Like, sorry for that. I wanted to try to get someone else. Probably I would have get one, but I don't want to make them feel bad. They're just substituting Mike. So another time. Let's see. Let's see. Web3 now. Nice. I jumped on the Web3 hype train. The truth is that I've always liked Web3 blockchain. I've studied blockchain at university. Then I kept that at the side. Now I think that one good thing that you can do is to study, because if you study something, you are never wrong. If you don't have a niche, trying to just go full Web3, it's a good idea now, to be honest, if you like that, of course. If you already have a niche, for example, for me, Docker, you can try to merge your current niche with Web3. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to merge the Docker niche with Web3, blockchain, and everything. Stay tuned because I'm cooking something, and it's not spaghetti. Ronnie, you are too kind. You're also shining, my friend. Turbisky Pepsi, Francesco bisexy. This is a fun word. That's funny. Gosh, there. Thank you. Do you know that I started doing live stream in this way? So now I'm really liking this. If you check my very first live stream, it was something like that. So very, very simple, like me answering questions. So I like this format, and honestly, it's not that stressful to me. No advertising, no ads, nothing. Just me and you talking. So I'm super relaxed. Let's see. Hey, Fran. Pratim, there you go. Pratim, we need to keep in touch to prepare the next Twitter space. Also, one day I want you on this live stream. I'm trying to do something like, I'm really like Web3 and blockchain tech. Yeah, I've seen some people complaining about there is too much Web3 now on Twitter. For me, it's not a problem. You can share the content that you prefer. For me, you can share about COBOL language, Fortran language, JavaScript, whatever you want. The problem is, are you really doing this because you like that, or just to get some random likes? In the second case, maybe it's better to avoid that. But if you like, if you are honestly and genuinely interested into Web3, why not? So for me, it's not really a problem. I see people criticizing others because they are posting one type of content, but I don't get this. How are you educating yourself? Okay, this is a great question. So, home, I'm trying to read the Solidity documentation, doing some hard hat tutorials. I'm trying a practical approach. So basically, I'm studying blockchain from a theoretical point of view and Solidity from a more practical point of view because it's a programming language. So I want to mix them both. So this is what I'm doing now. This is also what I'm sharing almost every day, I think. Shubra, yeah, you need to teach me Hindi. No, we will make a session. I'll invite some people from India and we'll teach me Hindi. I have Fatima on your live stream. Yeah, ask her. Loving the live stream, you are super great at it. What question would you like to ask you? So basically, you are asking me what question I should ask you. Perfect. We are going in meta. Basically, whatever you want, because today I'm really improvising. So whatever you want, really. Yeah, I like to talk about grow audience. One of my favorite topics is how to get out as an introvert. It's a topic that really matters to me. If you're an introvert and you are on this live stream, I'd like to be connected with you, help you, especially if you need help, if you want to start making videos. Yes, Pratim. Is this a yes to come on my live stream? In everything, I hear too. Invite some of us in. This could be an idea, Madrank, but today not. Today not, because today I want to relax, to be honest. So, yeah, it could be. It could be. Another time, it could be. But this should be organized, I think. Not. I don't want to invite random people. If you don't like doing it, eventually do exactly. But I've always say this. Once you understand the mechanics of a social media, for example, I think that I know something about Twitter. I could even grow as, I don't know, like a football account. But if you don't like to get paid to do that, it's useless. It just confuses your audience. As you change topic, you will lose some followers. So it's not a good idea. If you are honestly interested, why not? Why not? Yeah. I always say that you should always, as a content creator, you should document what you do. So if you are studying Ethereum, Solidity, blockchain, why not sharing this with Twitter? No problem. Just be humble. Sorry, there is some noise. That's the matter. I haven't doing it because maybe people will think I'm doing it for a trend, and that's not the case. I'm really interested in the subject. Udai, you, especially if you are creating content for free, why should you stop because someone is judging the people who are standing this? They don't know you. They don't know how much you have studied that. So just be humble, just admit that you are just studying it, and I'm sure that some people will follow this. To be honest, now I'm very interested into other people's content, especially people that are not super experts, because it's like that we are studying together. I'm thinking about creating something like a group where we can talk, like study together. Let me think about this. You want French school. Me too, Kartik, but now I'm here. I don't know. I don't know where from. Probably is parting somewhere. Web 3.0 is the future. Learning it will definitely help anyone. Totally agree with this. The problem is that it's exploding all of a sudden on Twitter, so everybody is talking about this. It remembers me like Deno. I don't know if you remember that. I've also done some articles about that, but would you have Vito on the live stream someday? I know Vito. We have been on already a couple of live streams. I definitely will have him soon before the year ends. So stay tuned. Nice. Hindi classes. Hey there, Shubra. This one, Kartik, my 4C community is doing great. We are organizing for the Hacktoberfest. that will start on tomorrow. We are close to 1,000 members, which is amazing. I think we need 50 more. So help me promote this a little bit. I think there is the link pinned. So it's going great. I have a lot of people who are helping me out. So this is great for me. What role will Docker play with Web3? Anyways, I'm still on HTML. This is a great question, Kush. Docker is a containerization technology, so this is what I'm studying. Because, for example, if you want to study Solidity, there is an online IDE, or Remix, it's called, I think, and you can do everything in the browser. It works. It's fine. It's a great way to start. What I'm trying to do is to replicate all the development environment locally and then deploy this in a container. This is an anticipation that I've not seen on the internet yet, but I'm working on this. That's great, Yudai. Web3 is very, very early. Not that early, to be honest. We have been talking about this for 10 years. Come for the hype and the money. I don't see any wrong on this. Sometimes I get paranoid. Yeah. But I think about that. If you start on this niche now and you are consistent in one year, maybe it's better than start over again in 3 months. So think about this. I suggest you to you can just focus on what you're doing. Yes. I Hindi class Francesco and Kartik. If he say yes, we can try this. Kartik, he said no, you see. He doesn't want. Nice. I'm thinking about this could be a thing, like a live Q&A every week. Maybe I can answer to some questions that I can ask on Twitter, and then also the questions on the live stream. What do you think about this? You're welcome, Yudai. Basically, the advice is do whatever you really want. You'll never be wrong. I mean, he said yes, and you are recorded, Kartik. Now you need to come and teach me Hindi. Perfect. Nice. Now I'm curious. I would like to check my very first live stream. Let's see. Why we don't have them? No. Mute screen audio. No, there is no audio. Good idea. Yeah. Karting doesn't know Hindi. Wow. Nice. Oh. Perfect. So let's go back on the questions. Let's see. We need to teach you both, or if you want, I can teach you. If you want, I can teach you Italian, Kartik. You'll teach me Hindi. Yeah, so we can also talk about how to grow an audience. I think a good idea would be to make a live Q&A about maybe a specific topic. Maybe a specific topic, and then some random question if we have time. This is a great question, Kartik. Difference between 4C community and other communities. I've seen something. I've seen that when there is a community, there is like a big boss or leader, and basically everything depends on him or her. So it's basically my or Francesco's community or Carlos' community. Instead, I want to do something different. I want to do a decentralized community. Sounds a bit strange, but instead of me, for example, hosting all the events on my YouTube channel, getting some views, becoming famous, this is not my goal. My goal is to help everyone to get noticed, especially people that maybe are very good as a content creators, but they don't have time to also stay on social media, because having a social presence is different than having a good content. You can have a very great content, but not having a social presence. So this community is basically to save. The idea is to save time. So instead of wasting half of the time staying on social media, half of the time creating content, you create content and then you interact with the community, and then people in the community will watch your content, will help you to promote that. This is one of the things. So for example, Kartik, if you want to create an event about the 4C community on your YouTube channel, you can just send a DM to me and we can make this. I can also come there and help you out, especially on live streams, but also normal videos. So the idea is a decentralized community. This is the difference. I've never seen this, but probably there are other cases. All the communities that I've seen, they have like the king or the boss. I don't want to be that. I just want to help people to connect each other. This is the idea. There we go, Pratim. Fran, how do you stay mentally strong? So much work commitments. I don't feel... Sorry, there's my... Okay. This is a great question. First of all, I always do what I really like. So, for example, if I like to do a Twitter space with you, I do a Twitter space with you. One of my secrets, I've already said this many times, it's that I wake up very early. So I wake up at 4 a.m., I go to work at 6 a.m., I'm already at home, I do a shower, so I'm already active. And then I do a lot of stuff, especially in the early hours in the morning. So, for example, you will never see me super active in the morning. Maybe in the afternoon I'm more active, but in the morning I'm more focused on what I do. And you are not the first person who says this. Honestly, me from the inside, I always feel that I'm not doing enough. So thank you for saying this. And yes, also breaks sometimes are very important. I took last Sunday totally off. To be honest, I've driven for more than 1,000 kilometers, but I haven't coded. I stayed almost zero time on social media. So breaks are very, very important. I know there are some friends of mine who you can also get a social media burnout. Watch out for that. I love questions about Docker. I will need Docker for my data science projects by next year. This year I will be in training at lab. If you possibly, can you throw some light? What role does Docker play in my domain? Because if you have any application, you can Dockerize it. So if you have, for example, a Python application, you can create a Docker image out of that. And if you do this, probably if you understand the containerization, you will never go back, because you start to understand all the advantages. For example, Python, there are different versions, version 2, version 3, 3.9, I think now that it's out. So you forget about operating system. You forget about dependencies. You just have a Docker image, then you move whatever you want. You can also host this on something called the Docker Hub, which is like the GitHub for repositories. Great questions. Of course, Pratim is a professional in making questions. Thank you for being here, by the way. I love asking good questions, I guess. Don't miss our next space. Yes, on Saturday. Yes. I have to get up early. Sometimes, every single time I say I woke up at 4 a.m. for some reasons, there are always one person who says, but you can also be successful by waking up at 10 a.m. I've never said that you have to. But honestly, this is my best habit. I don't know. I like to watch the clock at 9 a.m. and see that I have already done a lot of stuff. Instead, in the evening, I'm super lazy. I just stay on Twitter, I just chat. So I try to reduce the time, go to bed the earlier, the better, and then wake up very early. But this is what works for me. Kartik, you will attend the space. Yes, put a real profile picture. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Nice. So do you like this format? Let's make a poll. Do you like this format and want it next week? Yes. Let's see. Nice, nice. Do you have any questions about podcasting? Oh no, now I need to change the thumbnail. I don't want to. Nothing wrong with that. No, if you can make everything you need in order to be successful, we must have a Q&A session. So basically another weekly event. And when? Maybe on Friday. So we don't. So instead of deploying, we make this. Nice. So since you are here, I'm gonna spoiler one of my next people that I'm interviewing. I've recorded a session with Data Professor. I don't know if you know him, but he's close to 100 of thousands of subscribers on YouTube. He also does something about Web3. So I think I'll collaborate with him. And on Monday, I'll record, so this is offline, an episode with Xaba Kissi. So stay tuned for that. And I think also, yeah, we need to do this again with Mike. So that's it. Thank you for coming, by the way. Answer the poll. I love the polls. Let's see. Is it working? What is? We missed it. We don't have the poll anymore. I don't know. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Nice question. No, there we go. 4 people for yes. Nobody's trolling. What's going on? So the trolls are not here. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about podcasting. Do you want? I see Kartik has a podcast. Do you have a podcast? Do you have a podcast? Let's make at least 30 minutes, 20 minutes about podcasting, because this was the topic with Mike. Questions about podcasting. This is my 129 episode. This started almost by mistake, and I'm here. Yes. But we will do this offline because it's better. Sometimes it's better. So to have a better version without pauses. Live streams are better because I don't have to edit. So this could be an idea. Maybe on Friday. I think I can do this live Q&A on Friday. Just half an hour, maybe at the end of the week. Yes. Perfect. Okay, so about podcasting, for example, if you have a podcast, you can also tell me, let's share something. Let me also share something. Let's see. I want to share, since we are here, let's see. Let's share something. Let's promote some people that are in the chat. Let's see. What is this? It's so hard to find you. Okay. Kartik, it's so hard to find your channel. Okay, so this is Kartik's YouTube channel. This is Kartik YouTube channel. There is also an interview with me. Don't miss that. Perfect. Don't they play? This could be the name of the live Q&A. Don't they play today? Come on my Q&A. There is also rhyme. Nice. Great, Kush. You will never regret this. There is my interview with Kartik. Yeah. This video has been sponsored by Kartik. Nice, Kartik. Yeah. So I can talk 5 minutes about podcasting. This is something, for example, that I've never taught. So, for example, when I started my YouTube channel, I was more focused on let's make some tutorials, let's make some live streams of me coding, and I was very stressed. Now I've discovered that a podcast you can benefit in many different ways, especially on YouTube. Let's talk about podcasting on YouTube. For me, podcasting is making live streams on YouTube, of course. First of all, if you are not a native speaker, it's a way to make practice in English. This is my little secret. I started to make live streams and podcasts not because I wanted to monetize my YouTube channel, because it's a lot of effort, but because so I can practice English with my friends. So this is one of the first selfish reasons. One other reason is that if you make a podcast talking with that person almost face to face, you create a strong connection with that person. So it's not more just chatting or just putting a like, it's something more. Since Kartik, for example, has invited me, we have a different connection now. So if you want, for example, if you have a podcast series, it doesn't have to be the best in the world, but if you have a podcast series, you have something good. You can invite someone. You can call them, just chat, and then also post this video, because someone else could be interesting, because maybe it's interested in what you say, it's interested in the other person, and you also leave a track of this video. And this is another great thing. And also, it's also a great way to monetize a YouTube channel without going broke. So it's a good way. Yeah. Nice, Yudai. Ronnie, why are you confused about what? You don't know what to say? By the way, if you want to invite me in a podcast, don't worry. I'll come. Let's spoiler something just for the people who are really following me. I should be on as a guest. By the way, I have an Italian live stream this evening. I'm not going to promote this on Twitter, but you can check that on Twitch if you want. I'll talk in Italian, by the way. I'll be a guest on Mark Baker's new Decoding the Code series. I don't know if I can say this. It's done. And then at the end of October, so in less than 1 month, I'll be a guest on James Quick podcast series on Twitch. I'm super excited. Hey there. Hey guys, how's it going? Hey Vishva. I don't know if I pronounced that well. Share your link, we will share you. Of course, let's help each other. I'm waiting for the hash node video. They are still not out. Have you seen that? Let's see. Thank you, by the way. Thank you for being here. If you want to leave a comment, if you want to like, I've noticed that I'm not like a super fan of auto promoting yourself, but I've noticed that if you say subscribe to my channel, like my videos, it works. It works. So if you have a YouTube channel, you need to say this. Sometimes people are just they forget about this. That's right. Nice. Hey there. Let's see the poll. Where is the poll? Oh, I lost it. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we got some votes. One person voted no, and that's totally fine, but 7 people voted yes. Okay, nice. Gotcha. Perfect. Nice. Thank you. But no, it's something that you should always consider, because I think some people, maybe they are just watching the video. I think especially the people who have never done a video, they don't know how much this can matter for a person who is making a video. Since I started my YouTube channel, I'm liking and commenting on way more videos, because you understand that it's like when you insult all the people going on the motorcycle, and if you buy a motorcycle, you understand how much difficult it is and how much do they risk every time. Nice. Thank you for showing up, by the way. I think a good idea would be to take some questions before, so I prepare a list of questions, and then I also answer some questions live. What do you think about this? This is something that you will change. Maybe make this shorter, just 30 minutes. Maybe. I feel super weird when I say sub to me. I know, because but really, sometimes people, they are just distracted. For example, for me, it happened. Maybe I'm sure that I'm already subscribed. When that person says, please subscribe, I check the button. And if I say, oh, no, okay, I wanted to subscribe. So there is no problem in saying this. If you're doing something for free, you can say this in many different ways. Like, for example, I don't say like subscribe. I say, for example, if you like this video, you can subscribe. So I say this in a polite way, but you should do this. I know the feeling. Yeah, but this is really a very simple rule. By giving a simple like, you help you support that person to keep doing the same, because it's a lot of effort now. And I'm not just talking about the effort on preparing this is not really a problem. Sometimes, especially for introverts, it's a mental effort. So if you support that person, like you are doing now with me, I'm super happy about this. That person will start a series, could interact more with you. So this is one of the better ways to interact with someone else. It's not about the number of followers. It's about just connecting with other people. I still remember one of, I think, I don't know if that was my very first comment, but I got this comment because when I released my very first video, I didn't say this to anyone, so I was just publish the video and that's it. So I remember this comment, and the comment is Francesco on YouTube. I repeat, Francesco on YouTube. I love this comment, for example. Yeah. By the way, if you want to get more visibility, especially if you have a YouTube channel, if you create articles, you can consider this here. You can consider to join this community, and we interact with each other. You can also share the links of your videos in a separate channel, of course. So this is also a good way to get some more views. Consider that. It's really, really worth. Don't underestimate the power of a community as I did. Now I'm regretting that I've said, oh, first let's grow and then I think about a community. No, I should have started earlier. Forget to like or something. Watching a video like, I hope you die that you have not forgotten to like this video. Nice. I think also we can try to I don't know, like for a month to make this a live Q&A. And because also I've noticed that the people in the chat, they interact each other and they know a little bit better. So this could also be an opportunity for you. Nice. Perfect. If you have any questions, just drop them. Let's say, I don't want to make this super long and boring. As long as you have a question, I'll stay. Let's say I'll stay another 10 minutes and then I'll go. I know the feeling of first positive comment. Yeah. And sometimes it's not about the number of followers. If you have read an article, if you have seen a video which has been really useful for you, you should give credit to that person, because this is the way that person can continue. Yush, you are late. Look, check this logo. Yeah, Ayush is the maintainer of this 4C community website. We are planning something, and we start from tomorrow, which is when we start the Oktoberfest. Super excited. I've also seen that he has bought a lot of stuff. Let's see if I can find your YouTube channel, Ayush. Let's see if I can find you. You should put your links. Let's see if you have your YouTube channel. You don't have. How can I find you? Let's see if I can find your YouTube channel. Or can I or not? Yeah, you should. I really like that. Nice. This is what I wanted to hear. Nice. Perfect. Sorry, but today it's really, really improvised. StreamYard. No. Ayush, you need to send me the link of your YouTube channel if you want me to promote that. Otherwise, I can't help you. Where is that? This no. Sorry, I can't find this. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Nice. So this is something very, very simple format. Usually I like a very simple format. I think this is also a way to connect with the people that they follow you follow them. It's the same. I don't have a proper answer for this. Best resource. First of all, you can follow Pratcom, and I don't know, probably Frigot Camp, something there is for sure. I had a lot of people. You can follow Kevin Powell. I can't remember the name now. Don't get me wrong, do you have a short name? You can be called. You can call me Fran or Fra. It's okay. Oh, sorry. No worries. Oh, my bad. No worries. Yes, I prefer that you leave, but you wake up very early tomorrow, so we are more synchronized. Frigate Camp is great. Perfect. I have also Frigate Camp mug. Can you see that? Okay. Nice. Perfect. Nice. So, perfect. So, do you have any other questions? Do you like this? That's so. I think it is, at least for me, it has been worth. So, I've tried to answer questions. Maybe we had not a specific topic. So, maybe one thing could be I take some the questions of the people, then I decide a topic, maybe also based on the questions, and then you can also jump on the live stream and make me other questions, also on different topics. By the way, Fran, pleased to meet you. Can I call you Bish? Is Bish okay? Hmm. Oh, there we go. Hey, Suraj, 4C team. Nice, nice, nice. I think we need 50 more people or 60 more people. We are very, very, very close. I had this goal to reach 1,000 before the year ends, but I think that we can do this. I've been missing a lot of your live stream. Liking to catch this one today. Timo, you need to catch up all my 250 videos now. Now. Nice. Ah, perfect. Now then we are mates. Perfect. Nice, nice. I've seen other people have joined. Just let me remember that today Mike could not join because his rabbit had some physical issues. I don't know exactly what. So he had made an appointment with the doctor, so he could not be here. So sorry, but it's just me. The good thing is that we will have Mike soon. No worries. I think this month. And yes, that's it. Mm-mm. We are now, I think, 946. So four more people to 950. For sure. But you can like some of them if you want. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Perfect, perfect. So thank you for joining. Today is Thursday. Yes. So tomorrow we will not do this again, I think, but we can plan this for the next Friday. I don't know about the time, if it's better. I think this time is not bad. Let's see. Let's see. Because I get like 1,000 DMs per day on Twitter. I'm not joking. So I try to answer to all of them, but it's becoming impossible. So, for example, if you have some questions, maybe the best way is to either connect on Discord or jump on the live stream. So, this is the best way to connect with me because I feel a bit lost. Best luck for Oktoberfest. Absolutely. We're planning to release some article, by the way. Can I ask you a favor? Since you are there, there is this repository. We have this repository, which is our open source Next.js website. This has been deployed with Vercel and Next.js. So if you want, so this is our website. Ayush is the maintainer. If you can leave a star, it would be awesome. If you want, we can take a look at the issues. What do you say? Are we out of topic? You want to see the issues of our website? Yes, no, I don't care. What's your answer? Share. Hide. Thank you, Kush. You are the best. Kush is the best. Ash November. What is that? Let me share. But do you follow Kush on Twitter? Come on. Sure. Let me share the Kush account. Come on. Show Kush some love. I need to find a way to shut out all the people that have been on my live stream, because now I remember someone, but I can't remember everyone. So I need a method. I don't know if there is one. Let's do this. If you are still on the live stream, send me a DM with on Twitter. If you do this in 15 minutes, I'll make a post and I'll tag you in the post. Okay? But you need to do this because otherwise I forget this. Sure, Kush. Yeah, please send me a DM anyway. Just send me like I was on your live stream. Don't cheat, by the way. Nice. Yuda. I'll try to remember someone, but the problem is that once the live stream on YouTube ends, I don't have the chat. The chat is available after hours. So if I want to make send a message on Twitter or something else, I need to wait for hours. That's it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Suraj, just send me a DM on Twitter. No, on Twitter. On Twitter, send me a DM and I'll shout out you at the end. What do you think? For example, this could be, I think, if we do this live Q&A, at the end of the live Q&A, I'll shout out all the people who have been on the live stream until we have space, of course. Nice. So, thank you for being here. I hope that this has been useful. I want to make this a very simple format, so maybe next time I can share my screen, say something, maybe a little bit of what I've done during the week. But I want to keep this format as simple as possible, and I want to use this to answer your questions. So if you like this format, we will do this again, not this week, but maybe next week. Maybe because I need to find the time to do this. I did miss the Hashnote bootcamp. Really sad. You missed a lot of things. A way to access the lecture videos. I think that they release the video in some days, so you need to wait. I would like to watch my old things. Super useful for me. Thanks. Thank you, Kush. The bootcamp videos will be released on their YouTube channel, of course. Yes. Sure. Nice. Perfect. So we are done, I think, for today. Let's make it clean. Let's not make it super boring. And yes, so everything should happen in 1 hour. Okay. Okay, say bye. Italian, you can say ciao. Ciao you can also say it is as a hi or bye. So it's ciao. Have a great week. Have a great week, Vish. Now we're friends, we're mates now. And yeah, that's it. That's it. So if you want to keep in touch, use especially Discord, because Twitter is a mess, to be honest. If you want to be more connected with me, it's better to stay on the Discord server. And yes, we are done. Hey, Lango. I don't know if I pronounced that well. Bye. Hey, Suraj, you are a fast learner. Ciao. Perfect. Okay. We are done. Have a great weekend. You too, Kush. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. Make a. This I wanted to. Okay. I'm trying to take a screenshot without looking as a serial killer, which is pretty hard. Okay. Perfect. Done. Bye bye.